beautiful people, it's your girl Tara Marie, and I'm back with another video. Girl, and the fro is out. Okay, the fro is out. So today we're gonna do something that I really want to start doing on this channel, which is fragrance unboxing. So you all know I love fragrance. That's probably my second favorite thing besides makeup, and of course that's after like my husband got all the other stuff. But anyway, as far as like things that I really like and enjoy to do, it would have to be makeup, fragrance, and then reading. I got the new Kayla Utopia Vanilla Coco 21. I have all the other Kayla fragrances because you know they started with I was knowledgeable of them when they had musk, citrus, vanilla, and the elixir. As you see, I don't know if you can see, but like back there, I have all of them with the exception of citrus. That one is not here at the moment today. So let me give you a little bit of backstory about this, you guys. So it is technically a first impressions because I've never smelled it, but I have watched a whole lot of videos about this fragrance. So I know what people are saying it smells like, but I'm a huge Kayla supporter. Mona is like doing her thing with these fragrances, and I typically like all of them. What I will say is that the vanilla is my ultimate favorite. Probably right now it would go from vanilla. You know what? I'm not even gonna rank them because I think I want to do a full review. If you all want to see just like a full ranking video of all the Kayla fragrances, let me know and then I'll do that. But I have added another one, this Utopia Vanilla Coco 21. I'm gonna put like the cost of the fragrance somewhere up here. I got mine from Sephora because they were sold out. Sorry, you guys, I'm opening up the packaging and it's loud. Shut up! But I got mine from Sephora because the Huda Beauty website, it was sold out. I went back and forth about getting this fragrance for a while. It's been about a month now. I've just been watching other people's reviews, seeing what they're saying. The reason why it took me so long to buy, you guys, is because this one comes in 50 milliliters. But all the other ones, like the bigger ones, they can come in the 100 milliliters. And I think I paid like $118 for those. Whereas this 50 milliliter one was $100 for 50 milliliters. And so I just didn't know if I wanted to pay that. I know that sounds bad. But Mona, if you're watching, you're more than welcome to send them to me. I will love them. Like I said, I'm a Kayla fan. So I went ahead and broke down and bought it. The packaging, I opened up the bag and missed. Okay. The packaging looks like the other ones. It has like a lighter pinkish, silverish gold. I don't even want to call it, yeah, it does look like it's rose gold. It looks like a lighter rose gold around the outside. This one is supposed to have like a lighter pink packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Look at it. Okay, so this is what I will say about, and like I said, I'm not going to go into too much depth about just the Kayla brand because I really want to do just some more videos about their fragrances. But what I will say about this packaging is very similar to the pink pepper or the pink diamond pink pepper scent that they just came out. That's also right there. It's the pink one. This one is a lighter pink. Now I don't know what it smells like right now. So the only reason why I am not going to say that they should make 100 milliliter yet is because I don't know what it smells like. Kayla has not, they have not disappointed me yet. Now, as I was watching the reviews, let me just go ahead and tell you this. I only saw one review where the person said it didn't smell how they thought it was going to smell. They didn't say that it smelled bad, but they just said it wasn't what they expected. But every other review that I watched, everybody was like singing this fragrance's praises. You hear me? I mean, everybody was saying they loved this juice. It was beautiful. They loved everything about it. It was a good vacation fragrance. Now, Mona has already said that when she created this juice, she created it with vacation in mind. Now, I am going to do a video with my top 5 vacation fragrances because you know I've been traveling some this summer. There's some fragrances that I'm noticing work and last and some that don't. What I do know about vacation fragrance is if you're going somewhere with like a beachy type of oceany vibe, you're not going to want something like super heavy. You know, you're not going to want something that's super, super sweet because then the flies and the bugs and everything like that outside will be attracted to you and then you're going to be swatting bugs all over your vacation, right? So you're going to look for something that's like airy, that reminds you of the ocean and things like that. You're not going to get something that's straight sweetness, right? So lots of people have been comparing this to Tom Ford Eau de Soleil Blanc. Let me tell you, I don't like Eau de Soleil Blanc, okay? I actually think it stinks. I feel like it smells like chlorine water. I'm hoping this doesn't smell like this, but I love coconut, love vanilla. Those 2 things I love in all my scents, and it's like a lot of my scents have that. So this scent is said to have pear, jasmine, coconut, sandalwood, vanilla, bourbon. Now I have some fragrances with vanilla bourbon in it, love it. I have some fragrances with sandalwood, love it. Have some fragrances with coconut, love them. And I have some fragrances with pear, love that. Jasmine is, I think I have like 1 or 2 fragrances. And as you see over here, it's my fragrance wall. I have a pretty good amount of fragrances. I don't have the amount that Mona has, but I have a lot. Let's just jump into what this smells like. What I am going to do is I'm going to spray this in the cap. Yep. I'm going to spray this juice in the cap. Now, let me tell you something. This bottle is so pretty. Mona gets the packaging right every time. And another thing Kayla gets very, very well is their sprayer, okay? Let me show you this. Let me make sure it's turned the right way. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but do you see that? Okay, that that does smell good. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna spray it on a sheet of paper, kind of like they do at Sephora. They give you like the little paper. I sprayed it in the cap, y'all, or in the top of the box, and it smells so good. But hold on, hold on. So. This smells really good. Okay, yeah, no, I like this. As far as like right now on the paper, it hasn't dried down yet. I do like that top note. I'm definitely smelling like a hint of jasmine for sure. It has like a very light florally scent, but it's sweet. So I'm definitely smelling the vanilla and the coconut. Definitely smelling the vanilla and coconut. Now that it's drying down, I'm getting more of like the weightiness of the vanilla bourbon, which I told you before I love. I have some fragrances with vanilla bourbon in it. I love it. It gives like a very sweet and like eat you up type of vibe. Okay, so this definitely would be in my top 5 vacation fragrances. So now that I'm thinking about this, you guys, I am gonna test it on myself, but now that I'm thinking about it, this is 1.7 fluid ounce. This is travel size. So this may be the reason why she only made a 50 milliliter, because it's travel size and it's supposed to be a vacation fragrance. Yeah, no, this smells really good. Okay, now I'm going to test it on myself. So just a little tip, those that are just starting out with fragrances, when you go into places like Sephora and Ulta and things like that, and you're smelling it like on the white piece of paper, do know that is just the juices organic smell, right? But when you spray the juice, the fragrance juice on your body, it mixes with your actual body chemistry and your body's oils. And it may be that that juice doesn't mix with your body chemistry, which is one of the reasons why I don't like Tom Ford's Eau de Soleil Blanc, because when I spray it on paper, it smells like a real rich chlorine water. And people were comparing this to that, and I'm not getting that at all, to be very honest. The only thing, now I'm gonna tell you what I am getting. It gives me a very sweet, airy feeling, like Dior's Poison Girl. That's what it's giving me, that light, sweet, airy feeling of it. And you know what? This also, to me, smells like a very light version of Killian Don't Be Shy. So that one, Killian's Love Don't Be Shy, is very heavy. This is not heavy. This is very light. This is very airy, but it's sweet. It just smells good. It just smells like, even if you wanted to wear this on like a regular date night, it wouldn't be too much for the person that you're going out to dinner with, the person you're going to the movies with. It would be like when they go in for a kiss and they're like, baby, smell good. That's what we want. That's what we want. We want somebody to like lean in. We want our boo, our husbands, wives, whatever the case may be, to lean in and be like, you smell so good. I can eat you up right now. That is what we want. So let me spray a couple. I love their sprayers. They get the sprayer right. Other brands, take note. Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells good. Now, on my skin, I am smelling more of the jasmine. I'm getting a lot more of the jasmine on my skin, which is not bad because it's not an overpowering jasmine. But I'm also getting that vanilla bourbon. Praise God. I was hoping that when I sprayed this, that it would not be, that in the dry down, the vanilla wouldn't go away. I was hoping the vanilla would be very prominent. Oh, it smells so good. But this smells absolutely like a vacation fragrance. Like, it's not overpowering. It's very subtle, but it is one of those scents that, like, if somebody walks past you and they're close enough to you, they're going to definitely feel like you smell like a very sweet, flowery cake. Like a very sweet, flowery piece of candy. But like I said, on my skin, the vanilla, the jasmine, and like it smells like a base of sandalwood for sure. So I'm getting a hint of the sandalwood, but the jasmine, vanilla for sure are the two on my skin that are like definitely prevalent. I'm not getting any pear, but that just may be how my body chemistry is taking this. Now let me tell you this smells so freaking good. Okay, yeah. I actually did not put on any other fragrance today because I wanted to try this. This juice smells so good. Mona, check. Chef's kiss again. Like I said, there's not one fragrance in Kayla that I just flat out don't like. I like them all. Mona has taken her time with these. When I went to Mexico, I should have taken this. This is what I should. Well, it didn't come out in time for me when I went to Mexico. But next year, this is definitely coming. I'm gonna have to go ahead and purchase another. Now, Mona, I understand starting with the 50 milliliters, but you're gonna have to get the 100. So this is good. If you all have not gotten your hand on this Utopia by Kayla, go pick it up. Packaging, 5 out of 5. Smell, oh my gosh, it smells even better. Yeah, it smells very good. I definitely understand why everybody was saying they loved it. It smells so good. It smells Okay. Now I understand why she was spraying it all on herself. Now, this is not overpowering though, which I like, but then I'm kind of disappointed about it. What I probably would do with this is I would either wear it. This is like a good vacation for sure because it's very like beachy. Vacation-y is sweet. On me, this is very sweet. I don't know about everybody else. I'm not getting chlorine water from this at all, but I am getting like sweet, calm, that type of scent. I would wear this to the office. I would wear this on like if I'm going out to dinner while I'm on vacation. I would bring this on like a vacation. I would bring this even if I was going on vacation with my homegirls. I probably would bring this too, but I would probably save this juice for when I'm going on a vacation with like my husband. I mean, considering that's 50 milliliters for $100, that's a pretty quaint. Okay, that's not cheap. That's use it sparingly. Okay, so I probably would not take this when I'm just going with my homegirl. I would probably wait to use this when I'm going on a vacation with my husband. Like if I'm going to just, you know, get real cute and be real booed up and married, I'll take this. But I would probably pair this with vanilla, the Kayla vanilla. That's what I would do. Now, Mona, let's have a little chat. Go ahead, sis, and come out with a 100 milliliter bottle. Now, I'm just trying to figure out if this is $100, what the 100 milliliter bottle is gonna cost us. That's my only thing. I was good with paying $118 for the other big bottles, but you're not gonna just give us a $118 for 50 more milliliters of juice. I'm pretty sure you're not gonna do that. So I understand, but the only thing I could probably think about is the ingredients are probably more expensive than what she used in her other juices. But I love it. 5 out of 5. If you haven't picked it up, definitely go pick it up. It's at the Huda Beauty / Kayla website. It's also at Sephora, but it's worth it. That's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed this first impression video. This will be my first one on this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget also to press the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever a new upload goes up from me. Also, I've definitely been enjoying these conversations that we're having in the comments. As I always say any other time, don't forget to be beautiful inside and